how to buy GEMXBT token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account. As you can see, they have a big community there. Just go and check it and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screen. And if you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. As you can see, the liquidity unlocked by 99%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. And as you can see, this token is under Solana network. Now go and copy the token address from here, open your Phantom wallet, click on swap, make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet and click here to add your wallet. Just paste the token address, click on your wallet. Now here type how much you want to buy. After that, as you can see, this is how much you will receive. After that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and now make sure to read all of that information from here, and after that click on swap, and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you find any issues on your buy process, just go back to this page, switch the slip patch from here or custom it, and after that you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy the GEMXBT token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.